The following message has been transmitted by order of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. There is a dangerous stench going around in the Midwest and North Atlantic. The stench is believed to have been originated in Cleveland, Ohio. This stench is so powerful and so dangerous that it has the ability to kill anyone who smells it. It is 700,000 times worse than mustard gas and 2 million times more strong. The stench has been spreading at an alarming rate and is now in the following states: Illinois, Indiana, Michigan, Ohio, Pennsylvania, West Virginia, Maryland, New York, New Jersey, and Wisconsin. If you are in any of these states, you are advised to follow these precautions. If you must go outside, make sure to wear a gas mask or respirator. Keep all windows and doors shut and sealed. Turn off all fans, air conditioners, and ventilation systems. Do not open any containers that may hold the stench. If you must be in an enclosed space, make sure to wear a hazmat suit. Oh no, the stench is now spreading throughout my office. I have to go. Oh crap, I can see the stench coming under the door. No, please, not the stench. I can't hold my breath. Somebody, help me.